Today we're looking at one more and one less. Please take out your math worksheet, page 69, with page 70 on the back, lesson 3.8. Putting your pencil by the red star, let's begin. We need to count and circle each group, and by the red star they want us to circle the group that has more than. So let's begin by counting the tens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count the flashlights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that 5 is more than 4, so we're going to circle the flashlights. We're circling the group that has more. In this next group, by the blue star, they want us to circle the group that has less than. So when I look at these, I have boots and I have backpacks. Let's count the boots. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. While I only have 1, 2 backpacks, I need to circle the group that has less than. That would be the backpacks. At the bottom, by the green star, this time I need to circle the group that is more than. If I count my fires, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I count the s'mores, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that 6 is more than 5, so therefore I should circle the s'mores. Turn your page over and let's do the back. On this side, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from the group that has one less than the other. So we're going to have to look at the groups of flowers and figure out which group has one less than the other group. We're going to start on the left-hand side with what appears to be poppies, and there are these red flowers here, and there are 1, 2, 3. Well, to find a group that is one less is pretty easy when I only have 3. I know that I'm looking for a number that is less than 3, and when I count backwards, I would count down to 2. So I need the group that's 1 less than 3, which would be 2. If I look over at this side, this group has way more. This purple group is the group I'm looking for because there are 2. So I'm going to draw a line to the purple flowers. 2 is 1 less than 3. Now I need to come over here. And I have a large cluster of flowers. One thing I like to do when I am counting a group that has several is I like to make a little mark on it to show me which ones I've counted. So I'm just going to make a little dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10. I'm looking for the group that has 1 less than 10. I know to get to 1 less, I have to count backwards. So from 10, I would go back to 9. So I need to look for the group that has 9. Does this group up here have 9? Well, no, I can easily look and see it's 2 sets of 3, which is 6. So that leaves me with this group down here. Let me double check and make sure I have the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, that is correct. 9 is 1 less than 10, so I will draw a line from the purple to the pink flowers. Now I'm going to go back over to this side and I'm going to count the yellow flowers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I want to find the number that's 1 less than 7, I will count backwards, and that would be 6. So I need a group with 6. Since I only have one group left, I know it's going to be these red ones at the top, but I can also easily see that there are 2 sets of 3, which gives me 6. So I am going to draw a line from the yellow all the way up to these red guys. So 6 is 1 less than 7. Our work is completed for today. You can go ahead and put your math page in your math folder. Good work.